beautiful friends, and welcome back to my channel. So without further ado, let's get into this video, you guys. Let's eat some candy. Let's jump into today's video, or should I say tonight's video, because where I'm at, it's nighttime. So today we're going to be doing a food review, more like a candy review. And I don't know why I gave this candy a second chance. I mean, it's not the same candy as last time. It's a different flavor. And I don't think it's gonna go too good, but I bought it anyway. Okay, so let me go ahead and tell you guys what I bought. I bought two different candies. Both of them were 88 cents each at Walmart if you want to go out and try to get them for yourselves. So first up, we got the KitKat Duos Mint Dark Chocolate. We're gonna be trying this out tonight and doing a full review on it. And second, we have another KitKat bar, but this one is the KitKat Duos Mocha and Chocolate. So we're gonna see how this goes. This one doesn't sound as bad as this one. Well, to be honest, neither one of them sound bad because mocha is kind of like chocolate. If it ain't chocolate, I don't know what mocha is, but every time I hear about mocha, it's hot mocha, mocha flavor, and it tastes just like chocolate. So I don't see why duoing that candy bar with chocolate would be an issue. I think I should be able to like this, hopefully so. It's been a long time since I really had anything that I like besides my Cheetos review. If you haven't seen it, I'm going to link my Cheetos food review up there in the top somewhere. And the mint dark chocolate, this sounds like something I should like too because I eat those Andes bars, Andes, however you say it. Y'all know I'm from the South and I can't pronounce nothing. I struggle with pronunciation, so if you ever see me just say, this what it says, and I point at the package, it's because I know I'm about to tear it up, and y'all are about to laugh at me. And I mean, like, I ain't trying to get teased on the internet. I've already had a day today, you guys. I don't know if I should have a chit chat with me after this and let you guys know what happened. I mean, today was crazy on social media. Like, this is the first time I've ever had a crazy social media day. I guess that's what happens when you put yourself out there, and I'm getting off topic. We'll say that for the end of the video because at least you guys can watch the full video and then y'all can chit chat with me and experience my day at the end of this, okay? So back into the video. Which one should go first? Is it the purple or the green or the green or the purple? We're gonna go with green because I have green here. And if you haven't seen my green, Grinch green, neon green, green hair wax video, I'm gonna link that one above too. Oh, and I got two more I need to link above for you, okay? Here we go. Let me go ahead and share all these links for you real quick. Here's the other link. You need to go see my unboxing video. If you're feeling the earrings and the ring, go watch my paparazzi unboxing, okay? I'm gonna link that above somewhere. And if you're feeling this hat, which I had it on at the beginning of my video, and then I took it off. If you're feeling the hat, go watch my Dolls Kill unboxing. That's exactly where I got this hat from, you guys. So off she goes, because I wanted a video with my hair down. So without further ado, let's get into the KitKat Duos Mint Dark Chocolate review. Just because this one matches my hair, let's get into it. Alright, first up to get eaten is going to be the KitKat Duos Mint Dark Chocolate. So this is going to be crisp wafers in mint, cream, and dark chocolate. It sounds pretty good. All right, KitKat, and your packaging is absolutely gorgeous. It matches my swag to the T. We got a little bit of white. We got a little bit of green and then black. See, you guys, it matches. So that's why we're eating this first. And these were 88 cents at Walmart. They were close to the register if you guys have trouble finding them. That's where I found mine at. Oh my goodness. Okay, KitKat, I see you. Looking all pretty. You got that mint green color up front. The dark chocolate on the back. It smells very delicious. Give me a break. Give me a break. Break me off a piece of that KitKat bar. Couldn't resist, you guys. If y'all didn't hear me sing that the first time, I'm gonna link that first KitKat review up ahead so you guys can see that video because I tore that song up, honey. Yeah, them vocals was in there. And here we go. not shabby. This one is doable. But all you need is one stick. It's not because the chocolate is super rich or anything. It's just because after you eat one, it's just like, you don't want to go back for the rest of it. It's just like, okay. It's okay. It's not terrible. This can still be sold in stores. Not too terrible. A nice mint. It's not overpowering. It blends nice and smooth with the chocolate. It's kind of like an equal balance of each. The wafer in the middle though, I don't know if mine is close to date or something, but that wafer was like kind of stale. I'm sure you guys heard the crunching in the video, but to me, like, it wasn't that crunchy. Kind of stale. I don't know if there was like a air gap between the mint part and the wafer, and when I bit down, it didn't hit straight to the wafer. It just gave it up. I don't know if it was that, but something wasn't quite right with that bite. Y'all know what we're going to do with the rest of these. Say it with me. We're going to give it to the kids because I didn't like it and I don't want to waste it. So we're going to set that aside from the kids in the morning. Next and last, flip it upside down real quick, is the KitKat's Duos Mocha and Chocolate. This sounds like you should have a cup of milk with. And I love the wrapper. The wrapper is purple and brown. Purple is my second favorite color, so it still was a win with Bonnie's, even if I don't like them. They was cute. Yes, honey, they were cute. The chocolate looks almost as dark as the last one. The last one was a dark chocolate, and this one didn't say it was dark, but I guess it is a dark chocolate. It didn't say. Let's see what it says about this, because I didn't even read it, you guys. I was just tearing into it. It says crisp wafers and mocha cream with coffee bits. This sounds like it's going to keep you up. It sounds like you eat this, you're going to stay up tonight. And y'all don't want to know what time it is where I'm at. It's late o'clock. Like I said, late o'clock is when I film my YouTube videos because my kids go to sleep. And they're not going to be in the background all loud. So if you hear any rustling and bustling right now, it's because my bunny is right there in the corner and he's hopping on some hay and chewing stuff. So just know that ain't my stomach growling. It's a bunny in the corner. Alright, so we broke off that piece. Give me a break. Give me a break. And we broke it. So this is kind of like a tan kind of color. I don't know if you guys can see that. Maybe my light's too bright. It's like a tan cream kind of color on the front, and then the back is brown. I wouldn't expect mocha to be tan. I'm like, why is it tan? I thought it was going to be all brown. I don't know. It said coffee bits is in it and the mocha. I guess that part's the mocha. The tan part and the specks is the cream. And I gotta hurry up and eat this and review it because I mean, like, yeah, it's melting on my fingers. Ooh, y'all, it really tastes like coffee. Alright, here we go.
Bruh.
Okay. This is a no. No, 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 no. And y'all know me, once I bite into something, I'm going to finish it. I'm going to F it up. It's going to look like it's the best thing that God ever made because of where I'm eating it. But that's just because I don't like wasting stuff. I'm cheap. I'm highly frugal. I don't like wasting food. But this ain't for me. This is for those people that drink black coffee. Because this don't even taste sweet. It tastes like a dark black cup of coffee. I don't like it. It tastes like coffee bits. It tastes like bits of chocolate and pure coffee. Ooh. Let me get that package back up. They need to reword this. They worded this wrong. They put crisp wafers and mocha cream with coffee bits. They should have said crisp wafers and coffee with mocha bits and bits of chocolate. That's what it should have said. KitKat, y'all showing y'all butt with these flavors. Y'all ain't came up with nothing good yet. Nothing. I don't care what nobody else review said. They were paid reviews. I'm joking, you guys. Maybe they're paid, maybe not, but I'm not paid. Let me chew it up some more. Matter of fact, let me lick my teeth and see if my thoughts change about it. Okay, all that chocolate don't look good, do it? Like some boo-boo. This is not boo-boo. Y'all just saw me eat that chocolate bar. I repeat, this is not boo-boo. It's chocolate. Okay, yeah, that totally caught me off guard. Once you finish it, it doesn't leave a nasty aftertaste in your mouth. But when it's your first bar and your first time trying it, it just hits you. It just catch you up out of nowhere. Uppercut. That thing is fighting, boy. It just came straight to me like, knocked me out. But at the same time kept me up because it was full of coffee bits. How the flavor gonna knock you out and then keep you up because it's full of coffee bits? What's wrong with them? So, in review, I didn't like neither one of them. They weren't for me. Me personally, they was not my cup of tea. I didn't like them. So, if I had no choice but to eat one of them, which will win? Which one you think will win? Of course, the mint. The mint would win over this one because anything with mint in it is always good. To me, I like mints. That's just me. So thank you guys for watching my KitKat review. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you enjoyed the video, like it. Leave me a comment. Let me know what your favorite part about the video was. And if you tried them before, let me know. And if you have tried them, which one was your favorite? Thank you for watching, friends. Be on the lookout for my next video. I will be doing an unboxing. Comment, like, share, and subscribe. Ring the bell so that you'll be notified whenever I post new content.